Hi, today I'm going to talk about how you can increase your ROI and conversion rates using Google Ads. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking to improve your current strategy, I've got some tips to help you get the most out of your investment. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. I upload similar videos like this one regularly, so please do subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified instantly when I upload more videos like this one. So let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before you start any Google Ads campaign, it's important to know what you want to achieve. Are you looking to increase sales, generate leads, or drive more traffic to your website? Clear goals will help you measure your success and optimize your campaigns effectively. Step 2. Target the right audience. Google Ads allows you to reach specific groups of people based on their interest, location, and online behavior. Use these targeting options to make sure your ads are seen by potential customers who are most likely to convert. Step 3. Create compelling ads. Your ads should be eye-catching and relevant to your audience. Use strong headlines, clear call to action, and highlight the benefits of your product or service. Remember, the goal is to grab attention and encourage clicks. Step 4. Optimize your landing pages. When someone clicks on your ad, they should be taken to a landing page that matches the ad's message and offers a seamless user experience. Make sure your landing pages are fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Keep a close eye on your campaign performance using Google Ads Analytics. Look at metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per conversion. Use this data to make informed adjustments and improve your ROI over time. By following these steps, you can maximize your ROI and see better conversion rates with Google Ads. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, targeting the right audience, creating compelling ads, optimizing your landing pages, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one on Google Ads.